What's up, you guys? We're back. Finally got Tom on the camera, so I got my free hands. So we're excited, y'all. Check that glass out. Vigo doors. Hey, and I just want to point out real quick, Miss Janet, the homeowner's getting ready to come in here. Y'all are going to meet her, get to talk with her. And I want to tell you, we did not have time today. We were behind schedule a little bit. Tom being off and everything and getting healed up. So we didn't have time. Normally we would have probably put a video out on how we installed these doors, but I just shared yesterday our YouTube video of these Vigo door installs. And I'm telling you, it has helped thousands of people. You ought to check it out. Bunch of people, Florida, Pennsylvania, we had all kinds of people reach out with questions and appreciation. They were able to do their doors just by watching that video we put out. So if you want to see it, it's on our YouTube page, Vigo door install. But let's bring the homeowner in, Miss Janet. Come on in, Miss Janet.
Here I come.
Oh, one of our favorites.
Gosh, I hope so.
So what do you think, other than the obvious? You know about our lights.
I am so in love with this. Yeah, my lights, I don't even look at them now, but everything is just, it's incredible.
So
it is incredible.
We'll get your lights tomorrow, and then we'll get the correct size vent up there tomorrow.
Sure.
But short of that, there's your doors.
Oh my gosh.
And, you know,
It
we
is
went
so
ahead.
incredible.
We went ahead and sealed your rock. So all your rock is sealed. And then there's a sealer in our grout as well. So everything's been siliconed and just the whole nine. The doors are beautiful. And I mean, these suckers hit like a pinstripe line. So it all stems back to how plumb these walls were in the beginning. And it just makes all this come together.
My dream team.
On the finish.
That's what they are.
But look at those doors. These doors are awesome. Gonna let it hit that stopper up there and look, one little finger.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, beautiful. So Miss Janet, let me ask you a question. We know you had a few people. Here you go. You want to come over this way?
Yeah.
There you go. So you had a few people come in here.
I did.
In the beginning, and we were one of them. I think you had about 3 total, us being one. So obviously we ended up getting the job. Nothing to the other 2 companies. We don't even know, don't even need to say. My question to you is, why did you pick us over everybody else you met? And now that you did pick us, what has your experience been like since we've been in your home?
You know, all by the grace of God. I had 2 other estimates, and I happened to be on Facebook, and I saw your work. I saw what you were doing. I saw how you explained everything, and it just all came together perfect for us. And when I saw your videos and how you did everything, and I knew that you were the guys, but I was afraid I wouldn't be able to afford you. I was, and I thought, well, I'm going to contact them and just see, and hopefully I'll be able to work something out with them. And like I said, with the grace of God, it worked out.
Did it surprise you?
And I couldn't, it really surprised me because I thought I was looking at, I thought I might be looking at double the price, really, with y'all's work and what you do. Yeah, I fell in love with these guys too. They're just so amazing. They are, and it's just, oh my gosh, I can't say.
We've had a great time in your house though, but this is everywhere we go. Everywhere we go, I say how wonderful the people are, and we truly mean it. Everywhere we go, because you know what is new to everybody. Us walking in here on day one, it usually don't take hardly no time at all. And it's just like, you know, coming home every day.
Yeah, you are so easy to get to know. And but you know, your perfection is just, I've never seen anything like it. And how you all explain everything you're doing. So I know, I never had any idea how much goes on behind the scenes and how much work there is to doing everything you do. You're just amazing people, your work. I love it.
Well, we appreciate that. We really do from the bottom of our hearts. And there's a lot of people out there that feel that same way.
And the extras you all did for me too. The extras that I don't know if you even want anybody to know this, but they did extras for me that I didn't even have to pay for. And I really appreciate that.
Well, we're glad we can do that for a lot of
Sure.
people. We surely are. You know, and again, it's everything just turned out. We can't thank you all enough. This has been so easy going. I mean, we just come over here like clockwork every day. We let ourselves
you
in.
do.
We let ourselves out. We say hello. You've cooked
Well,
us. I don't know how many meals.
Oh,
I had a
don't
couple
cook. I
while
hate
you weren't
to
here,
cook.
Tom. Yeah, but you know, and it is. It just and this is really, you know, bigger than the bathroom, bigger than everything. So you're local here where we're at,
Yes.
and we're in the same boat. And eventually, what happens is all these people we end up going in their home. Eventually, we see them all in Kroger, we see them at Circle K, we see them around town in places, and you know, these are the people that when we see, no matter how many years go by, they can pick us out of a lineup, and we got something to always talk about. Matter of fact,
sure.
we're getting ready to go in a home that we were just in 8 months ago to go do another job.
Oh,
for
I'm
the
sure people
same
have
home.
y'all back.
Yeah. So
I'm
it's
hoping
it's
I can
nice.
someday,
Yeah.
you know, to do some more renovations that we need done because our house is 37 years old.
Yeah.
And yeah, but not this room. Not this room.
Well, that's it, you all. So look, we just wanted you all to see and talk to and get to meet Miss Janet. What a wonderful lady, her and her husband. And as it turns out, I've got a lot of friends on here that are in the garbage industry. Okay, I spent 14 years in that industry. Steven, a bunch of y'all, Justin Graves, just all kinds of people. So I want y'all to know the home I'm in right now, if any of you all, which I know all of you have, if you've ever dumped in Outer Loop landfill, and once you get up to the top of the hill and you get ready to eject all your trash, there's an older gentleman up there that's been up there for 40 years working at Waste Management, and that's her husband. So if any of you all know Mr. Jimmy from Outer Loop, landfill, all the garbage guys out here, that's really cool. I never knew it was Jimmy till we got in here. So he told me tell all you garbage men, appreciate all the hard work, and thanks a bunch. So as usual, you all, hope you like everything. Till the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon. We got the Cypress slab coming up. We're going to be starting that tomorrow, picking back up with that. And then we got some cool other things coming up the rest of the week. Getting into next week, we'll be starting another bathroom. Till the next one, see y'all back real soon.